अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। वो स्टूडेंट्स जो 5 से 6 में नए नए आए हैं और आप लोगों को 6 का कंप्यूटर बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है, उनके लिए मैं बहुत आसान और इजी नोट्स लेकर आई हूँ। तो चलिए फर्स्ट चैप्टर से स्टार्ट करते हैं। यूनिट 1 है आपका आईसीटी फंडामेंटल्स। आईसीटी फंडामेंटल्स। आईसीटी स्टैंड्स फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। इट इंक्लूड्स डिवाइसेस, एप्लीकेशंस, नेटवर्क of any system. Functions of ICT: it collects information, store information, process and manage data. It also helps people to communicate. Importance of ICT: ICT has changed how we work, learn, communicate and live. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device. It follows instructions called programs. It takes input, processes data, stores data and gives output. Next question is ICT devices. What are ICT devices? ICT refers to all devices, network components and systems that collect, store and process information. Here are given some ICT devices. A desktop computer. It is a multi-purpose computer for individual use. It consists of a system case, monitor, mouse and keyboard. It is usually found in homes, offices, etc. Laptop, notebook. It is a small and portable computer and can run on battery power. It has a built-in screen, keyboard in a folding design. Smartphone. It is a mobile phone with computer-like capabilities. It is a touch screen. Some well-known companies that produce smartphones are Apple, Samsung, Huawei and Oppo. Tablet. Tablet is a computer with a mobile operating system. It is larger than a smartphone. It uses a rechargeable battery. It has a touch screen. External keyboard, mouse and pen can be connected. Camera. It is an electronic device used to capture images and videos. It stores photos in digital memory. Many devices such as smartphone and laptop have built-in cameras. ICT applications. ICT means using technology to communicate and share information. It is used in many fields: education, medicine, agriculture, transport and defense. Communication applications. Print media and digital media. Print media, it includes printed documents, hard copies, e.g. newspaper, magazines, newsletter, posters, etc. Advantage of print media. Print media is reliable, it is easy to carry and read anytime, it is screen free. Digital media. Information shown on screen is called digital media, for example, text, photos, audio, videos and graphics. Advantages. Digital media is low cost, it covers large audience, it increases communication. Measurement applications. ICT is used to measure data using sensors. Sensors collect data and send it to computers. Computers read, analyze and store data at set time. This process is called data logging. Weather station. It measures temperature, rain, wind speed and air pressure. It helps to forecast weathers and storms. Scientific experiments. Smoke detectors use sensors to detect smoke. Sensors also measure speed, force and movement. Manufacturing industries, robots help in factories to work faster. Machine tending, robots load and unload material into machines. Picking, packing and palletizing. Robots pick objects and pack them quickly into boxes. Cutting, grinding, deburring and spraying. Robots cut, grind and spray materials in factories. Advantages of ICT devices. ICT helps people communicate quickly. ICT improves learning through digital tools. ICT connects people and countries. People from different culture can share ideas online. ICT creates new jobs and professions. And disadvantages of ICT devices. Personal information can be hacked or misused. Machines replace some human jobs. Some local culture and values may be lost. ICT devices can be expensive to buy and install. People may need training to use them properly. Next question is write hardware components of computer. हार्डवेयर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर में आपकी आ जाती हैं इनपुट डिवाइसेस और आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. इनपुट डिवाइसेस. An input device is a piece of hardware used to send data to a computer. Here are some examples. Keyboard. It is used to type text. Mouse. It is used to point, click and move items on the screen. Scanner. It changes physical photos or paper into a digital format that you can edit. Microphone. Microphone records sound and turn it into digital data. Light pen. A pen-shaped device used to point things on the screen. Touch screen. It is a computer display screen. You can interact with a computer by touching picture. Output devices. Any device that receives information from a computer and convert it into a human understandable form for display. Liquid crystal display LCD screens. They are flat and lightweight and use crystals to display digital information. Light emitting diode LED screens. They use light emitting diodes and provide better picture quality than LCD. They are more expensive than LCD screens. SMD LED screens. They use highest brightness than LED screens. Printer. It creates hard copies of digital documents. Some examples are inkjet, laser, dot matrix, and 3D printers. Speakers. A device used with computer system to deliver sound. A multimedia projector. It is a small, high-resolution device that can display images, video, and audio. Our next question is explain different type of communication devices. Communication devices are hardware used for telecommunication. Switch. Switch connects any device in a network. It shares data between computers. It is used in offices and schools. Router. It connects computers to internet. It can connect many devices. Access point AP. It provides wireless connection. DSL modem. It connects computer or router to the internet through a telephone line. नेक्स्ट कुछ टर्म्स हैं आपकी PCL slot, a slot inside a computer for adding hardware parts. Ethernet, a port used to connect devices with a cable. Telecommunication is communication over distance. A right difference between print media and digital media. Print media, it includes printed documents, means hard copies. Print media is reliable. Examples हैं print media की newspaper, magazines and posters. Digital media, information shown on screen is called digital media. Digital media is not always reliable. Examples हैं आपकी text, photos, audios and videos. What is difference between data and information? Data is collection of raw facts used by computer to make information, and information is processed and organized data which is meaningful. Hardware and software. Hardware, it is a physical part of computer and examples are monitor, keyboard, printer and router, while software, it is a program of computer. It tells computer how to work and examples are application software and system software. Next again आपके कुछ terms हैं जिन्हें explain किया हुआ है. CU, it fetches data from memory, decodes instructions and control input and output devices. ALU, arithmetic logical unit. It includes basic mathematical calculations, comparison and logical ones. And next question is explain how memory unit function and uses of different types. RAM है आपका RAM access memory, random access memory RAM. It stores the data. It is a volatile memory. And ROM, read-only memory. It stores the BIOS. It is non-volatile memory. And difference between HDD and SDD. HDD is a common storage device. It stores data magnetically. It has moving parts. SSD stores data on memory chip. It is faster than HDD and it has no moving parts. Write a note on processing devices. First one पे है system unit. The system unit is the main part of the computer. It holds computer components. In a desktop, it is the computer case. Motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. It holds important parts such as the CPU, RAM, GPU and expansion cards and allows them to communicate. Central processing unit CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes data and executes instructions. It controls the speed and performance of computer. Parts of computers control unit CU. It fetches and decodes instructions. It controls input and output devices. Arithmetic logic unit. It performs arithmetic calculations like addition and subtraction. Memory unit MU. It stores processed data before sending it to output devices. There are two types of memory, RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory. RAM is a temporary memory. It is a volatile memory. so data is lost when the power is off. ROM is read-only memory. ROM is a permanent memory. It stores BIOS and startup instructions. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, राइट अ नोट ऑन स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस. स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस कीप डाटा फॉर फ्यूचर यूज़. पहले नंबर पे आपकी आ जाती है हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव, HDD. HDD is the most common storage device. It stores data permanently. It has a large storage capacity. Solid state drive, SSD. SSD stores data permanently. It has no moving parts. It is faster than HDD. It reads and writes data quickly. Next is CD, compact disc. A CD is a portable storage device. It stores audio, video and other data. Maximum storage capacity is 800 MB. Types of CDs: CD-ROM, read-only, CDR, record once, and CDRW, record and erase many times. DVD, digital versatile disc. It is similar to CD but stores more data. It stores audio, video and other data. Its storage capacity is 4.7 GB. Blu-ray disc. It is an optional storage disc. It is used for HD videos and large files. It can store up to 50 GB of data. USB flash. It is a small portable storage device. It connects to a USB port. Memory card. It is a small electronic storage device. It is used in mobile phones and cameras. Next question है आपका, who invented smallest hard drive? In 2016, Dutch scientist. It was the size of postage stamp. The device. What is device? A device is a physical hardware unit that provides computing functions. चैप्टर यहाँ पे आपका एंड हो गया है. अब आपकी कुछ एब्रीविएशंस दी हुई हैं कुछ वर्ड्स की, वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. LCD लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले, LED लाइट एमिटिंग डियोड, SMD सरफेस माउंट डिवाइस, CPU सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, CU कंट्रोल यूनिट, ALU अरिथमेटिकल लॉजिकल यूनिट, MU मेमोरी यूनिट, RAM रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, ROM रीड ओनली मेमोरी, HDD हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव, SSD सॉलिड स्टेट हार्ड ड्राइव, CD compact disc and DVD digital versatile disc. आई होप आपको ये नोट्स पसंद आए होंगे. तो मज़ीद नोट्स जो हैं वो लेने के लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को पूरा वॉच करें.